Hey everyone, time to do another product review, this time of the Icon Tuscarado Boot. All right guys, what is up? We've got the Icon Tuscarado Boot here for review today. Initial unboxing. This is a boot that I found for the lady. And went through a bunch of different boots, looked online, looked at the different options. We tried a couple. Initially tried the Joe Rocket Heartbreak and didn't like the way that fit. So we tried this one, the Tuscarado Boot. And this one's going to be a black. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. All right, let's see here. So right off the bat, we're looking at a black boot here. We got the ankle kind of strap here to help reinforce and protect that from movement. Got a pretty sturdy toe here. You can see extra layer of leather here for the shifter if you're going to shift. And that strap goes all the way around. We got a zipper entry here. And look at that boot though. I mean, look at it, right? So it's obviously a motorcycle boot, right? You can tell that, but it doesn't look like a pair of combat boots or anything like that. This is a pair of boots that definitely looks feminine. You got a little heel there towards the end, and it's not necessarily a high heel, although it does narrow down a good little bit. You know, it's not necessarily a platform, so you're not going to get this caught on anything. You know, you're going to be able to set that peg right there and it's going to fit beautifully, but it's not going to like get caught up on a heel or anything like that. So it'll just, you know, you got that slope right there, but it's not like having literally a pair of high heels. So that's cool. So feeling this here, feels like there's a puck right here. Yep. There's a puck right here to protect you in the ankle. Kind of got this reinforced heel situation going on here. Yep, that's pretty sturdy right there. Like I said, zipper entry on the side, so easy to get on and off. We got that zipper protected by a piece of Velcro here in leather. All right, and then looking at the tread on this boot, it's not super crazy as far as the lugs or anything goes. You've got a nice rubber kind of non-slip kind of tread here. It's definitely not flat by any means, just running my finger over it. It's got some pretty good grooves to give you some good grip on these you know, smooth surfaces. Definitely feels like it would work. And of course the heel is treaded too, so you're not gonna slip on that heel either. You can take a look at that. We'll zoom in on that so y'all can see. So got the ridges there, and this is a neat neat design here. It isn't all going one way, it's going a whole bunch of different ways. That's why I say it's probably going to be okay from a tread perspective, especially if you're walking on some smooth surfaces. Yeah, that ought to work. So let's look on the inside of this boot here. Let's get this opened up. Okay. So Icon Tuscarado CE, this is a size 10. So let's see here. Got some paper in here. We'll get that out of the way. Just looking in there, you see there's that puck right here that I was talking about. And then on this side, definitely a puck here on this side. I don't feel anything on this side, although you do get some protection here in this extra piece of leather that runs up the heel and kind of halfway up the ankle. But you got a puck there on the outside. The ankle feels pretty stiff. Toe, let's see here. Yep, toe's feeling pretty stiff too. So let's take a look at this other boot. So it says this product is protected by D3O. Our material is the thinnest and most advanced protection against impact found in helmets, gloves, body armor, and other protective gear used around the world. So, okay, sure. Sounds interesting. Same situation with this boot. You also have, you know, that's pretty neat. So not only did you have the reinforced leather here on the other side, or on the left, you know, boot, which typically your shifter boot, but you have something to match here. So it's aesthetically pleasing, basically matching. If we put these things side by side here like you'd wear them, you know, they pretty well match. So aesthetically pleasing on top of whatever else. So again, sticking my hand down in this boot, let's see here. Okay, so got the puck here on the left side. I can feel it right there. This one, interestingly enough, the D3O must be referring to the puck in this thing, because I'm looking at it, and this one has it kind of coming out a little bit. So I wonder, oh, there is a puck on the side. Okay, I was missing that. There is a puck on the other side. It's just kind of tucked up in here. So I guess you would fold that out and then fold that out and zip it up. My big old hand's in the way, but see here where my thumb is manipulating it, that's where the puck is. You would just stick it there, and then I guess you fold it in and zip the boot up, so that way you have protection on your other side. Okay, so that's what we were missing. So there's your puck on the other side. Of course, we got the puck on this side here on the right side. So you got your lovely Icon logo right there in the bottom of the boot, but looks pretty awesome. And of course, I'm not going to try these on, but I had the lady in the break go try them on, walk around a little bit. She says that they're awesome. She likes them. She likes the way that they look. She likes the way that they go on her foot. This particular boot rises up, you know, right above, I'd say about 3 inches above her ankle, 3 or 4 inches above her ankle. So it doesn't go way up the calf. So if you're a girl with bigger calves, this is not gonna be a problem for you. Should be just fine. The problem that we had with the Joe Rocket Heartbreaks is they went up much higher, and so if you're a girl with bigger calves, they may not fit you. They were quite the same. So yeah, these boots in general, she loves it the way they are. She loves it the way they fit. She loves the way that they look also. And so we do have a little bit of a slick porch, and it has been raining. She was able to walk around out there on that, no issues, no slipping or anything like that outside of, you know, the ordinary. It is a little bit slippery out there, but not terribly so. So yeah, she loves the boots. She thinks they look great and feminine. And so I think we're going to keep these for a little bit. So anyhow, there you have it, the review of the Icon Tuscarado CE boot. Great motorcycle boot, comes highly recommended by someone who actually did try them on and wear them around. So that's it. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one.